Welcome to the Zoom and Pan tutorial. Zoom and Pan allows you to zoom into a specific area of your video to focus the viewer's attention on an area or show specific details. Place the playhead at the location on the timeline where you wish to zoom in on and click Zoom and Pan under the task list. This will open the Zoom and Pan Properties window. The three main areas of the Zoom and Pan Properties window are the Preview area, two sliders that allow you to customize each zoom, and the list of zoom keyframes that allow you to organize or manage your zooms. The Preview area contains a green rectangle, and any contents inside this rectangle will appear in the preview window on the right and show what the actual video will look like. This green rectangle contains handles that you can click and drag to zoom in or zoom out on a particular area of your video. You can drag the middle of the green rectangle to reposition it on the screen as well. Beneath the preview area are two separate slider bars, Scale and Duration. The Scale slider bar is a great alternative to using the handles on the green rectangle to zoom in or zoom out of the video. Moving the slider right and left maintains the aspect ratio of the zoom, and then allows you to quickly reposition it by dragging the middle of the rectangle as needed. The Duration slider bar controls the speed of the zoom in or zoom out process. The speed ranges from instant to 5 seconds with increments of a quarter second. Notice that the keyframe present on the zoom track will adjust accordingly as you increase or decrease the duration slider. The slower the duration, the longer it will take for the zoom in or zoom out to process. Something else to observe is that as you change the duration slider, the zoom speed section in the list of keyframes adjusts as well. To preview your new zoom keyframe in action, click before the keyframe on the timeline and press play. We'll now zoom back out in our video. First, we place the playhead at the location on the timeline where we want to zoom back out. We click the Add a New Keyframe icon. A new keyframe is added on the zoom track, and we now have three options to zoom back out. First, we could use the handles in the preview area and drag them around the entire image. Second, we can move the scale slider all the way to the left. Or third, we could use the Expand to Full Screen button next to the Zoom and Pan keyframes list. Notice that the green rectangle in the preview area is now back to its original state. If a Zoom and Pan keyframe was ever added in the wrong location on the timeline, you can easily click and drag the keyframe to its correct location. Or if you no longer want the keyframe, simply select the particular keyframe from the list and click the red X to delete it. This button will apply Smart Focus to the entire timeline. Smart Focus, a new feature in Camtasia Studio 5, automatically adds Zoom and Pan keyframes to your timeline by utilizing recording data from your original recording. If you already have Zoom and Pan keyframes present on your zoom track, you will be prompted with a message asking if you would like to remove all existing keyframes and apply Smart Focus to the entire timeline. You can learn more about Smart Focus by visiting the tutorial resources located in the Learning Center. The final icon button will open the Zoom Options window where you can customize your use of this option even more, including turning off Zoom and Pan hints, showing zoom rectangles in the preview window, and changing the default duration for each effect. Click OK to confirm your changes or cancel to exit without making any changes. When you are through modifying Zoom and Pan effects in your video, click Finish to exit this property screen. This completes this tutorial for Zoom and Pan. To learn more, please visit our online collection of resources. Thank you.